how to withdraw money on crypto.com via bank transfer. Now, in order to actually withdraw your money to your bank account from crypto.com, you first must have linked a bank account, but do not worry, during the withdrawing process you can also choose to link manually. Now for this, you simply have to go ahead and launch the crypto.com app and just navigate to the Fiat Wallet section. As you can see, I'm right there, and when you're on the Fiat Wallet section, you'll find this option that says transfer. So just tap on the transfer button that you can see, and at the bottom you can see deposit or withdraw. We're trying to withdraw our fiat currency to our bank account, so of course you want to just tap on the withdraw option there. And when you tap on the withdraw option, it will ask you to withdraw the GBP to your bank account or any of the other currency if you've already linked them. Now even if you haven't linked them, you can just tap on the withdraw now option. It will ask you for your bank account information. It will give you confirmation that it uses Plate to connect your bank account, or you can simply enter your bank account number and your details. Then the money will be withdrawn to your desired destination bank account. This way you will be able to withdraw money on crypto.com to bank accounts. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.